We're a family-owned business, been manufacturing bathroom vanities and mirrors since 1975. So one of the problems that we used to have was the phone system would just go down and we would have no idea when it was coming back up and running. We'd have to email our national sales team, which was just embarrassing for us as a company. It's not a good look, it wasn't very professional. But now with Business Telecom, nothing goes wrong, and even if it does, there's a backup there for us. We joined Business Telecom approximately 5 years ago, and we've never looked back. It's a full digital integrated system. The best part about it is we can see the numbers of the missed calls. We can recall those numbers. The voicemail is easy to access, and it integrates across our 3 sites. We can see who's calling. We can see that it's an internal call rather than external call. It's easy to use. It's clear. The Cisco brand is just better than anything else that we've seen. The whole process of installation and training was super efficient. They trained us as soon as it was installed. They got the whole team together. Everybody understood what's going on. Questions were answered. And it's just very professional. You just know that you're getting what you signed up for and that it's a professional installation. There was zero downtime moving from the old system to the new system. When you're running a business of this size, you need everything to work, and when it doesn't work, you need someone there to help straight away, and that's what these guys offer. The service has really been second to none. Their pricing structure was genuinely far better than any of their competitors who are not even trying to upgrade our phone system. Even with a brand new phone system, it still ends up being hundreds of dollars per month cheaper. I guess the best part of Business Telecom and Cisco is that we don't even hear about it. It's working so well in the background that as a business owner, I'm not worried about our telephone system. We just know that it works.